Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'll be showing you how to do these crystal unicorn inspired nails. So I sculpted out a new glass set of nails, and here is the color palette I'm going to be working with. I will label all of the colors here are from Madam Glam. We have Perfect White, Girl Power, Mimosa, Royal Blue, Aqua Blue, and Angel Wings. And I'm taking my Midi Burns brush in Minty Zero, my favorite detailing brush. I'm going to go in and choose one color at a time and put just some splotches on there, and I'm going to go in with a flat brush. This one I just have in my collection. I'm going to dip it in a little cup of alcohol that I have, and we're going to kind of spread the colors around so the lines aren't so perfect. And I go back and forth and I do this with each color, then I flash cure the color and move on. And this is a very layered look, so you kind of want to overlap some of the colors but also leave some negative space in there as well. And this design was inspired by Jeanette. I will link her Instagram in the links down below. Make sure to go check her out, but she does amazing nail art and she's been doing a lot of these like fun crystal type of nail designs. So once I'm happy with the colors and how they look, I'm going to take Madam Glam's Cosmic Sparkle. This is from their Peacock collection. I will leave a link down below for swatches of this collection. And this is just more of like an iridescent purple color. So I'm going to go in and just kind of add a little bit of the sparkle. Just going to add some shimmer. And then I'm going to go in with By Elegance's Fairy Good. It's a similar type of iridescent glitter, but it has lots of chunkies in it. So I go in and I add some more chunkies, kind of along the same lines I did the Cosmic Sparkle, just to add some more glitter. And now I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's Perfect White. We're going to use this to create some finer lines. And I go in kind of like in the marble nail tutorial that I did last week. I will also leave a link for that one down below. Just going in, creating some squiggly lines, taking that flat brush again dipped in alcohol and spreading them out a little bit. So this gives the nails a super cool, layered, sparkly, colorful look. It's like a crystal unicorn, which is why I labeled this video Crystal Unicorn. But this design is so fun. I'm not sure exactly how Jeanette did hers, but this is how I ended up doing her design. And so I just go from nail to nail doing the same thing, but moving the colors around and changing the placement as well. So now that all the nails are done, it's time for top coat. I will be using my Young Nails stain resistant top coat. This one is super glossy and it's stain resistant, which is perfect since I do color for a living. But this one is super thick and glossy, and it really just seals in everything we just did. You can really see the layers and the glitter, and it just completes this like glass crystal look. So here's how the nails turned out. They are super fun. I would love to try to do this with only pinks or only purples. I've seen Jeanette do that type of thing, or also leaving a lot more of the clear nail tip as well would be super fun. But I've been getting tons of compliments on these nails. They're so fun and sparkly and different. And on my other hand, I did do a swatch of Madam Glam's Girl Power with Cosmic Sparkle over it, so just so you could see how that Cosmic Sparkle really looks. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye!